Today, we're talking about something that's sure to make you giggle. Farts, toots, gas, wind, butt trumpet, or as the sophisticated French call it, le pet. That's right, we're diving deep into the world of flatulence, so buckle up and let's get started. Did you know that on average, a person farts about 14 times a day? That's right, your body is a gas factory, and you're the chief producer. But don't worry, it's perfectly normal and healthy. In fact, holding in your farts can be harmful and cause discomfort. So, let it rip, let it rip. Now, let's talk about the science of farts. Farts are primarily composed of nitrogen, carbon dioxide, hydrogen, and methane gas. But did you know that the smell of a fart comes from trace amounts of sulfur compounds like hydrogen sulfide and methanethiol? Yep, that's right, the stinky smell is caused by rotten egg and cabbage-like odors. So, the next time you smell a fart, you can thank your lucky stars for the lovely sulfur compounds. But wait, there's more. Did you know that the speed of a fart can vary between 10 and 100 meters per second? That's faster than the speed of sound. So, if you ever hear a loud fart, it's not just the sound waves that you're hearing, it's the actual fart itself. Now, let's talk about the different types of farts. Oh yes, there are different types. First up, we have the silent but deadly fart, which is self-explanatory. Then, there's the SBD's cousin, the squeaker, which is the same thing, but with a little sound. Then we have the machine gun fart, which is a series of small farts that sound like a machine gun. Next, we have the trumpet fart, which is a single, long, drawn-out fart that sounds like a trumpet. And finally, we have the wet fart, which is when you think you're just letting out gas, but oh no, it's a little more than that. Gross, we know, but we had to mention it. Now, let's talk about some fun facts about farts. Did you know that some animals use farts as a defense mechanism? For example, the African dung beetle rolls up a ball of dung and farts on it to keep other animals away. And then there's the bean beetle, which farts on its predators to keep them at bay. Talk about stinky self-defense. Now, you might be wondering, what happens when you hold in a fart? Well, it can lead to discomfort, bloating, and even pain. In extreme cases, holding in farts can lead to a condition called diverticulitis, which is the inflammation of small pouches that form in the colon. So, if you feel the urge to fart, just let it go. In conclusion, farts are a natural and normal part of life. They might be stinky, loud, and embarrassing. But they're also fascinating and hilarious. So, the next time you let out a fart, embrace it, own it, and be proud of your body's gas production. Now, I want to hear from you. When was the last time you farted? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Curiosity Caboodle for more fascinating and entertaining content. Until next time, keep exploring the curiosities of our world. Thanks for watching, and stay curious.